I am Bharat Chandak. You might also know me as Bharat Music. So, the music tag that came into my life, was it obvious? Was it like something that, oh, I have to do music, I am born for music? No, it was not like that. Music was never even a hobby for me. It was just something personal, something that I would keep it for myself. I never thought, and at that point when I started this, I never would have wanted to showcase my music to any other person, right? Sitting right here as well. I used to sing for my own satisfaction. Whenever I used to feel low, I used to sing. I used to be a crazy bathroom singer. That's how I would tag myself as. But I just, the interest grew, and one day I was just singing in front of one of my very close friend, and he suggested that I should post it online. I was still in doubt, and I was not sure. Honestly, at first my answer was no. I don't want to do that because I'm not that good. Secondly, I want to keep music very personal to me. But then, few days later, while thinking about that, I thought, क्या ही हो जाएगा, एक वीडियो डाल देता हूँ, कोई देखेगा तो देखेगा, नहीं देखेगा तो नहीं देखेगा. So I made a cover, I posted it. Now, till that point, I used to see social media. I used to see people getting tons of likes, tons of followers, tons of comments, good comments, bad comments, everything. So I thought the same is going to happen to me side by side, apart from also thinking that, कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं ये भी सोचता था कि बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. I used to contradict my own statements. But as I thought of, I posted the video. I zero likes, zero comments, zero followers, nothing. I made my account public when I had 211 followers 5 years back, 2020 में. And I was refreshing it continuously, thinking that अब एक बढ़ेगा, अब एक बढ़ेगा, एक और follower आएगा, एक और comment आएगा, एक और like आएगा, but कुछ नहीं आया. And that's when I was really disappointed. मेरे पहले वीडियो पे मैं इतना disappoint हो गया था. I thought, am I not singing that great? Or are people not liking what I'm singing? Or do they expect something different? Or there are people who sing better than me? All these things were coming in my mind. What did I do? I fell for the loop. I fell for the loop of algorithms. I fell for the loop of following trends. I fell for what people were already doing. I fell for that, but deep down in my mind, I also, was aware that what I'm doing is just copying something. Like every master copy has a copy, and I was one of the copy. But ठीक है, I was not giving up. I was continuously making videos, and then suddenly एक दिन, this is genuinely a real life story. One day our generator went dead, and I eagerly wanted to post a video. I wanted to record a video. So I was thinking of ideas where I can shoot the reel, where I can get decent lightings. So guess what came into my mind? My dad's car. I was like, let's get inside the car, let's on the light, and let's sing something. And that's where my different journey started. I posted a cover of Mere Bina. If you have heard that song, right? You guys have? Lovely. That kind of went like, Mere Bina main रहने लगा हूँ तेरी हवाओं में, something like that. And guess what, I slept expecting that nothing is gonna happen, because as usual, no likes, no comments, no followers, nothing, just me posting videos and few of my friends watching that. But I woke up finding the tag of 100 at the top right column of my Instagram. And honestly, at first I was like, wait, no, this is not my account. I refreshed it, I went back, I removed it from my recent, I opened it. It was my Instagram account. And my video crossed 100k views. At that time, 100k was a big number for me. Still it is. Obviously, 1 lakh people are like lot. But I straight away went to my mom. I was like, Mama, देखो, 1 लाख लोगों ने मेरा वीडियो देखा है. And My followers jumped from 211 to 1126. I precisely remember the number. And this journey of approximately 800 followers took me 1 year and 2 months. That is how much it took me to get that 1000 mark. Again, things were a bit different for me now. I thought, okay, maybe somebody is listening to my music, somebody is happy listening to my music. And this got confirmed when one day I got a text that your music genuinely healed me today. I was in a really bad mood. I was crying. Maybe she was going through a breakup or I don't know what. But she texted me that it really healed me. And I felt a bit, calmed. And that thing entirely changed my thinking about how I consider music. Earlier, I used to consider music as a art, but it's not just a art. It's a translation. It's a translation because it translates emotions. And that's when I started posting rigorously, continuously. अब तो मेरे को बहुत कुछ करना है because again, one thing that I always kept as my ideology. I do care about each and every one of you standing here, sitting here. I do love all of you guys. But if out of you all, if even one person is happy with what I post, and even if I bring smile on any one of your face out of all the crowd sitting here, I'll do what I'm doing right now. I would not stop. That one person is enough for me, honestly. And I still follow that ideology because that has helped me a lot. Alright, things started working really well, music went viral, and then I realized that music is just not, it's more than an emotion. Because just think about it, you are sad and you would listen to a sad song. Does that logically make sense? But it does emotionally, right? Because what you are not able to say, a person who you don't even maybe know, someone sitting somewhere in the corner of the earth is singing something and you connect to it because that is all because of emotions. आप वो नहीं बोल पा रहे थे, वो सामने वाले बंदे ने एक्सप्रेस कर दिया म्यूजिक के थ्रू. अब ये सारी चीज़ों के साथ क्रिटिसिज्म भी आया क्योंकि जैसे जैसे नंबर्स थोड़े बहुत बढ़ने लगे. Criticism came into action as well. People started talking about how should I sing, how do I sound like, what should I sing, you sang this bad, you sang this good. Everything came into action and the voice was louder. The criticism was a bit louder. It was a bit hurtful as well sometimes. But then comes the concept of today, that is Sankalp. Sankalp is not just a determination, it's a decision that you make to continue, and that is what I chose. Maybe, yes, some of you might not like what I do. Maybe, yes, some of you might like what I do. That might like is enough for me to do what I'm doing again. I get it. I take criticism as a critique again. I take it as a advice that if I'm doing something wrong, and if you're saying that I did something wrong, my target will be to improve that particular point so that you never have the chance to again criticize me. Everything was happening, everything was going good, I was gaining numbers, everything was going beautifully well. But then, one thing that I realized that at that point also I was chasing for numbers. I got 100k followers, I got 150k followers, but still I was running behind numbers, I was running behind trends, I was running behind algorithm. That loop was not stopping and I knew it that I'm running behind it, but I still was not able to find any answer that मैं इसको रोकूं कैसे. फिर वही अच्छे टेक्स्ट, अच्छे लोग, अच्छी फैमिली का सपोर्ट. माई डैड एंड मॉम, दे वर रियली सपोर्टिव टू मी. माई फ्रेंड्स, दे वर रियली सपोर्टिव टू मी. दे टोल्ड मी, डू वॉट यू आर डूइंग द बेस्ट, डोंट रन बिहाइंड वॉट पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू डू. एंड ऑनेस्टली व्हेन माई डैड सेड दिस, मेरे दोस्त बोलते रहते थे, मेरी मम्मा भी बोलती रहती थी, लेकिन पापा, आई एम अ मारवाड़ी, आई कम फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस फैमिली, सो इट वॉज रियली a great opportunity for me that my dad was freely, telling me to do what you love. So him saying that don't do what other people are doing, bring a change, that's what hit me. And I was like, अब मेरे को ये नहीं करना जो लोग कर रहे हैं, because maybe being perfect will make people happy, but honestly being yourself, being the real you will connect people with you. And I was just, figuring out that someday my recordings were not flawless. There were lots of background noises coming from behind. There were a lot of things going on, but I knew for a fact that I could not have done a better recording than this that connected with the audience the most. And when I used to sing like perfectly with perfect backgrounds, perfect music, perfect everything, yeah, definitely that used to work as well. But honestly, I realized that that is something that I'm faking out. मैं फेक कर रहा हूँ ये सारी चीज़ें, मैं प्रिटेंड कर रहा हूँ बहुत अच्छा होने का जो मैं नहीं हूँ. मैं क्यों प्रिटेंड कर रहा हूँ? Why should I need to pretend? If people are happy listening to who I actually am, why should I pretend? Now that is why I thought, you just need that one note. You don't need the rhythm, you don't need the melody to start something. Just one note. That one note is enough for you to start something big. And I'm very glad that my first video that I recorded never worked. Why? You might think कि यार क्यों ही ऐसा होता होगा? Because that awkwardness, that unhappy phase of mine, that silence, that thoughts, that came running to me that am I doing good, am I not doing good, that was really helpful for me and that motivated me कि यार गलत कर रहा हूँ तो उसको सुधार सकता हूँ. I should not stop. Because if I stop, maybe I'll have that regret always in my life that कर सकता था यार लेकिन किया नहीं. ये शायद आप भी सोचते होगे because I'm of your age only. You might think it. You might, आपके दिमाग में ये चीज़ आती होगी कि यार कर तो सकते थे लेकिन किया नहीं हमने. वही वो गलती हो जाती है कि कर तो सकते थे लेकिन कर लेना चाहिए था. Now, before, ending, I would like to have a question with you. That, what is the song that you never sung? What is the song that you never sung? What is that one thing that you wanted to do, but your inner voice asked you to not do it? Were you waiting for the right moment to do that particular thing? Well, I would say the right moment will be the moment when you decide to do it. There is no right moment. Right moment never comes. Right moment is something that you need to decide कि आज मेरे को ये करना है, आज आपका वो right moment है. So just start with the first note. पहला नोट शुरू करो and let's संकल्प to the rest of the work. Thank you so much guys. This was Bharat. It was a pleasure sharing this on stage.